I'm Carmel. I'm one of the directors of Parque Das Aves, which is the largest bird park in Latin America. We're in Foz do Iguaçu, right next to the Iguaçu Falls and the National Park, and we're set in 16 hectares of endangered Atlantic rainforest. We take in birds that have been rescued from trafficking and bad conditions, and we do conservation projects. We breed new generations of native and endangered species of the Atlantic rainforest. We sponsor conservation projects throughout Brazil. We do release projects back into the wild of birds. And yeah, we educate 35,000 Brazilian school children a year in special projects. And we have 500,000 visitors a year coming through the park, and we hope to take something away with them. Preferably not a bird, something else. Impression. If you want to see more, go to parquedasaves.com.br or check us out on Facebook.